Today I'm going to show you what you need in order to take your matte painted tiles and give them a nice stone wash, something to really bring out the ridges, the crevices, the texture. And the best part is it only takes 4 ingredients. My name is Jay. Let's get started. The ingredient list begins with Matte Medium by Liquitex, followed by Flow Aid Additive, also by Liquitex. Next is your acrylic ink. This is Carbon Black, also by, you guessed it, Liquitex. And lastly, some distilled water. Regular water will do, but distilled lasts longer if you choose to put it in a bottle that is bigger. First step is filling your squeeze bottle with water, and you want to fill it up to 50% capacity. Next, you're going to add your matte medium. Really, the amount of matte medium you put in there is in order to take that water level and get it up to 75% of the way full. So I usually add a couple squirts of the matte medium until I lift up the bottle and I can see that it is now at about 75% capacity. Once that's done, all you have to do is add a couple drops of your Flow Aid additive. I've seen people add 2 drops. I usually add 5 or 6. Then you're going to want to put the cap on and shake it up, really get the mixture together. After that, add 10 to 20 drops of your acrylic ink. Now this is preference. 10 drops for a lighter black wash, 20 drops if you want it to be darker and grungier. I usually err more on the side of caution and hit it at about 10, and sometimes simply wash it twice in order to get it darker if I need it to be. But then shake it up, and now we can start applying it to our painted tiles. I simply use a small squeeze bottle with a pinpoint nozzle so I can control it. Squeeze it all over the tile, and with a lightly damp brush, just brush it in medium, easy strokes. And then you're just going to want to do this over and over again on each one of your tiles. Again, using a lightly damp brush, spread it, and whatever you do, do not forget to hit your edges. Those pesky edges often come back to bite me if I'm not paying attention. So you want to make sure that you hit it and get it done. Once you have applied the wash, the next thing you got to do is simply let it dry. And voila! After you have let it dry, you have yourself dungeon tiles with a nice stone wash, really bringing out the crevices, the texture, and adding depth to your tiles. It also has the sealant in it, which really helps to make sure that your XPS foam doesn't crack as play continues with the pieces over time, because you're going to be using these tiles all the time. It's really that easy. And when I got started, I thought it was going to be so much more difficult than it was, but honestly, it's just been so much fun and a lot easier than anticipated. Yeah, so look out for more videos coming your way. If you have any questions or any thoughts or anything that you'd be interested in seeing creating from start to finish, or just little segments, let me know. Let me know. And maybe, just maybe, I'll make it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.